dreamt of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just the start? You need help to escape this, 'cause you don't know what's going wrong. This could get dangerous real fast if you're left on your own. I think you need some time, I think you need some hope. I think you need someone to tell you that this is the darkest road.